Hello and you're welcome on today's lesson on the Absolute Drummer Beginner course. And this is lesson number 3. And we'll be talking about understanding rhythms. That's the whole foundation when you start playing. So I'm going to talk briefly on notes. And for drums, we have whole notes, we have half notes, quarter notes, and 16 notes, 32, and 64, and so on and so forth. But I'm not going to bore you with all the details. I'm just going to play quarter notes for you. Quarter note sounds like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's quarter notes basically. You can go read up on the other notes, whole notes, half notes. But I'll start in my lesson from quarter notes. Yeah. So quarter note is 1, 2, 3, 4. And eighth note, you're not dividing really. You're multiplying those quarter notes into two. So eighth notes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But now in drumming, we don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because we're going by a measure, particular measure, a bar. And for instance, using this bar of 4, 4 over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 bar. Now, those 8 notes to fit into this 1 bar, there's a system how drummers count, and we count 8 notes as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so that will give you 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So see the 4, we've just expanded the 4. And 16th notes is 2 times of 8 notes, and we count that as 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and so that's how we count it. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. Then 32 notes, of course, is still multiplying by 2. Then you have to do 2 16th notes to get you 34 notes. So these lessons, quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 16 notes, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. So I'm accenting the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. So you know what I'm doing. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. So practice and see you in the next class.